Hey guys, what's up? So today I thought I would film my first tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I just filmed an unboxing for it last night. I'm pre-filming some stuff, so you'll see this in a few weeks. But yeah, I thought why not film something with it today? So if you watch my unboxing, you'll know that not only does it have these red hues, but it has some like peachy hues and some other brown hues as well. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to kind of think about it as I go. And yeah, you'll know based on the title, I guess, which way I decide to go with it. I'm not sure yet, but let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Makeup Forever foundation, and I'm just going to pump that onto the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take a Sedona 928 brush, and I'm just going to use that to put it all over my face. Are you guys excited for the Naked Cherry palette? Do you have it yet? If you don't have it, do you want to get it? Or is it not really your thing? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully there's not too much background noise. Literally everyone is home today. So I've asked them to be quiet, but we'll see how that goes. Pretty soon I'll have my own office, so that will help a lot. So after I've done that, I'm going to take my It Bye Bye Under Eye and I'm going to put that under my eyes. And then I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I'm just going to put that on any spotty areas or red areas. Then I'm going to take my Sedona 928 brush and just blend those again. I'm sorry you can hear talking in the background. My parents are older, so they talk kind of loud, so you might be able to hear that. I'm not sure. Once I've got that blended, I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and I'm going to put that on my eyelids. So I'm going to blend that with my fingers. And then I'm going to get started with the eyeshadow. So I'm thinking that I'm going to... I think I'm going to have to go with the red tones just because this is the cherry palette. So as much as I want to do a peach tutorial, I think I'm going to have to start with the red ones. So I'm going to take my Moda M19 brush, and I think I'm going to use Young Love on my eyelids. So I'm just going to apply that. These like go on really well, they're really nice. It'll be cool to see how pigmented all of them are. This one seems decently pigmented. You guys know I like to build up my eyeshadow though, so I'm still going to apply a little extra. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I think I'm going to blend out with Devilish, which is this color right here. And try and keep it kind of red hued. And like although these are red hue, they're not like bright red. So I feel like even on a lighter skin tone like mine, they can be pulled off kind of like better than I would have thought. I'm just going to kind of use my fingers to clean up the edges a little bit. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my smudger brush and I'm going to take some of Devilish and just put that under my eyes. I want to add a little bit of darkness under my eyes too, so I'm going to take some of Privacy and I'm just going to use that a little bit as well. So next up, I'm going to take my Luxie medium angled brush and I'm going to take some of Hotspot and I'm going to use that to highlight. So after that, I'm going to curl my lashes. Once I've curled my lashes, I'm going to take my Ulta Plush Drama Mascara and I'm going to put that on my tops and bottom lashes very carefully because, as I've said in previous videos, this brush is as big as my eyes. So I'm going to try very hard not to mess up the eyeshadow. I love how it looks on, but it's just like really scary for me putting it on just because I've messed up my eyeshadow so many times with it. You may be wondering why I still use it, and part of it is because I do like how it looks, and the other part is because I just don't like wasting products. So as long as I kind of like it, I'll kind of keep using it. Okay, so once I put on the mascara, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes again. You want to be careful when you recurl because it can stick to them and pull them out if you're not careful. So you don't want to just like pull it away, you want to like gently do it. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to separate my lashes out a little bit. After that, I'm going to take the Black Opal Brow Shaper Kit and I'm just going to use that to do my brows. I don't really try and make them any bigger or anything. I kind of just try and fill them in and make them like any like little sparse areas I try and fill in, make them a little bit darker again if I've got any foundation in them. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my IT 5x4 pressed powder and just put that all over my face. After that, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola Bronzer and I'm just going to use that to contour. So So once I've done that, I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to kind of blend that out so it's not so dark on me. Next up, I'm going to take my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Quirky, and I'm just going to use an Ulta blush brush for that. I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Once I have done that, I'm going to start off by using the Beauty Crop Glow Milk highlighter on my cheeks. And on my Cupid's bow. And I'm just going to use my fingers to blend that. I just kind of like to wipe it off my hands a little bit and also bring my ring finger in just to kind of like get it blended in well. Once you get it blended, I feel like this is like a really pretty glow. So once I've done that, I'm also going to take my new Winky Lux Charm highlighter, and I'm actually going to use that again on my eye area and highlight a little more, as well as a little more on my Cupid's bow. I just love the shimmer in this, so I've been really liking to go back over some of the highlight with this to make it a little bit brighter. Just the way that this catches the light, it's almost kind of like a hollow thing the way it catches the light, and it just looks really, really pretty. So last but not least, I also picked up a Urban Decay Vice Cherry lipstick in Cherry. So I'm going to put that on my lips. It's just like a gorgeous color and I cannot wait to see how it comes out. It's definitely more matte than I thought it would be, rather than creamy. But I love the color of it. Like once you get some, like a decent amount on, it starts to like get a little bit more creamy, which I really like. Now, I know some of you guys might not want to use this lipstick with this eye, which is totally fine. You might want to maybe go with like a more neutral brown eye to do a lip like this. I just figured why not, since I had both of them here, I might as well try it. I kind of like the look. It's like kind of dark. I actually like this more than the vampy look that I did a few weeks ago. I think it looks a lot cooler with this palette. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and follow all my social media. I will link it all down below. And let me know if you like this look. Let me know if it's something that you would ever wear in the comments. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!